How to use left join instead of inner join. What is a join in SQL? A join is used to combine rows from two or more tables. Inner join versus left join. Inner join returns rows when there is at least one match in both tables, while left join returns rows from the left table and matched rows from the right table. Left join. When to use left join instead of inner join in SQL. 1. To choose which side of the table you want as a focal point. 2. To return all rows or records from the left table and matched rows from the right table. 3. To pull all values including null values. While inner join returns rows or records when there is a match in both tables. However, inner joins do not allow all or null. Inner joins do not allow all or any null values. For more data science updates, make sure to hit the subscribe button.